Hey guys, just a quick little video. I'm going to show you the food brands I have for my bird, Elvis. I give him his food, which is in here, mixed with Supreme parakeet pellets, because of how large they are. They are fine for Elvis to eat, and because the food in here is only seeds, so it's not a seed pellet mix. And it will help get rid of all that before it goes bad. I use Supreme brand pellets. I use Living World spray milk. I got these KT honey treats with DHA. Don't know what DHA is. And I use KT Fortified Daily Diet. For cockatiels, I used, I don't think I have it. Oh, I do have it. It's under here. I used Sunseed. I think that's the brand of cockatiel food. But KT was the closest I could get to the same exact thing. Because apparently Petco does not sell Sunseed. So, yeah. So I'm going to get him KT from now on. This is also the biggest bag of cockatiel food I could get. This is 5 pounds. Even the cockatoo food they had there weren't bigger than that. Bags of cockatoo food was no bigger than this. So yeah. This is KT, Living World, and Supreme. That is the brands of bird food I get for my bird. And I guess that's all. Goodbye.